In October of 2023, our dear friend Lori gifted us this dog netting to put on the lifelines. We weren't able to install it until the lifeline project was done, and we couldn't do the lifeline project until the standing rigging was done. Anyway, we just wanted to give a shout out to Lori. Thank you so much for this gift. We are so grateful. It's made a huge difference in our dog Blue's life. It's also a great addition for the grandkids, as well as hopefully catching winch handles before they go in the drink. Thank you, Lori, so much. This video is Ace putting on the dog netting. It is a month-long project. He spent hours and hours on his knees. He's so thankful that he had some knee pads that he purchased, but it's such a great addition to the boat, and thank you, Lori.
Okay, here are the lifelines. We used the turnbuckles off the old lifelines for tension, and yesterday one of them got grabbed and broke. And so I assume that they're all have corrosion inside, so we're going to discard those, and I used some Dyneema line for tensioning. I didn't have the 1/8 inch line when I first put up the lifeline, so I used those turnbuckles. Took a shortcut, but it didn't work. So the lifelines are essentially done. We have a gate up here, pelican hooks, and a little plastic hook for the kayak. Kayak comes up on the deck here, and it's loose footed, so I put a couple of clips down on the tow rail. And then we have 2 gates, one on each side for boarding, with the same thing, pelican hooks and nylon hook. I use Dyneema soft shackles there, and I put in new eye bolts. I thought maybe someday I would shorten those, which I could easily do, but I haven't. And I have Dyneema line for tensioning on those, because those had the old turnbuckles as well up front. So got that replaced. It's 3 gates, and we have a 4th gate in the back. I went and raised the netting for this block. I don't know how that's going to work. We have to go test it. And we have a gate in the back with some snap shackles and a nylon hook on the bottom. That works pretty well. And I raised the netting for cleats as well throughout. And there you go.